Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. We are watching a virtual agent series. So, virtual agent, how it is helping and how it aligns with your AI solution, how we can identify the problem statement. So, those are all the discussion happened in the previous videos. So, when you have a time, just watch and try to understand and map with your real business landscape. So today's session, what we are going to talk is the same virtual agent designer. So last call we discussed about the user input. So I just prepared some sample view like a user input to bot response, how it is supporting. So that's what we are going to discuss in today's session. I'm just giving a quick recollect. So last call we discussed about this user input, how it is helping. I just put a drag and drop here and I just modified here. So based on that, it just click the test button and see the result. So that's the way we have narrated our solution or narrated our discussion, how it is supporting for your real business virtual agent related topic development. The same extension I'm just continuing, but one thing is I'm just adding here as a bot response. So bot response, how it is helping, so that's what we are going to talk here. So just show the showcase here, so how it is giving a test. I'm just clicking the test button based on the existing definition and see this. First, what is the message it is showing? Let's see. After that we will go to the topic and see that how it is defined in the system. It'll just give me a minute. It shows a system administrator. So I logged into the system administrator. So if you go here, the first it shows a user input. So user input, I just put a prompt. I just selected the username. So here you can see the username as well. So in this user I have selected as a name. So that's the reason it show as a user system administrator. So last call we discussed, we defined a hard coded value here. So this session, it is representing how you can pull the field from the table and you can pop up that field in the table. So we call it as a data pill, right? So if you know the flow designer, then it is easy to understand, like a data pill concept is available into the flow. First they have introduced into the flow. The same is applicable in our ServiceNow side as well. Sorry, virtual agent side as well. The same pill, it is helping to pull that appropriate field from the particular table. So I selected the name, so it shows when I open this, it shows as an administrator. So after that, I'm just giving a hi. Where is that? I'm just putting hi. So once I put a hi, it will go for a next one. Here the next one is a choice. So choice field it is running. So it's like a step by step approach, like from top to bottom. So this is first execution, then it is a second execution. So when I click this second execution, so it shows the same system administrator. I just called that name. So in case if you pull your name, then it'll show your name only. So I pulled the same name and it shows some default values. I have put some choice values, TCS, ServiceNow, Accenture, like that. So what are all the fields value choices is required from your side, just add it. So based on this, it is showing a TCS, SN and Accenture. For example, if I'm selecting a TCS, then what it is representing, welcome to what it is, welcome to custom bot and response. Thanks from TCS organization. This message it is defined here. Where it is defined, I'm just going back to the flow here. Again, I'm just giving in this bot response. So here you can see the bot response related items. So I go to the up to this. I hope you are clear. I'm just opening this one welcome message. So here I just put a welcome message. Welcome to custom bot and response. Thanks from. I have selected the choice from here. So it shows a thanks from this particular organization. So if you open this item, then you can easily map it. Welcome to custom bot and response. Thanks from this particular organization. Next, what is it showing us? It is showing as a image, right? If you little scroll down here. So here you can see the image. So I put my image, so you can put your image. It's a test purpose only, so you can change it later. So this is the image. So that means image related activity is configured here. So that's the reason it is popping up. So welcome message is done. Then image picker. This image picker is helping to pop up your image, pop up the relevant image in the virtual agent. So I have selected this, dragged and dropped from the bot response here. I just tag that appropriate image here. So you just click the change image and you can change it what you want. So due to that reason, it is popping up after the message as my image. This is clear. And third one is the link. So there is a link option are there. So first we check about the text, second we check about the image, third we are checking about the link. So the link, what it is helping here is it is supporting to showcase some hyperlink. If you are showcasing that hyperlink, when you are click that hyperlink, automatically route to the page. That's the message we are talking here. So hyperlink, it is navigating to other page. So to navigating to the other page, this option is going to support. So text is clear, image is clear, link we are talking. So this link, I'm just going to the output. Little scroll down. Here you can see the community link, developer.servicenow.com. That's the message I highlighted. So you just click here and you can see the community, ServiceNow community. This is a name and it shows a header as a community link. Inside the community link, I just put a link. So just come here and see the message. This is a community link, that is a header of this link, and after that it shows the link here. So I hope this is a valid one, so you can configure what you want. Next is card type test. So here what I'm just putting is, it shows my record username and it shows the name, first name, last name, etc. So first to see the result and you can compare the step. So what it is showing is my name. I am the user, so I logged in. So that's the reason it shows my name. So if you see here name, if you see here, this is a user record. In this user record, I'm just selecting the my login ID. So my login ID is system administrator, name, first name, last name. So similar way, you can bring what are all the values you want to highlight into the card type. You just bring it. So it's also pretty straightforward. Next, HTML response. I wrote a small script here. So this script, what it is representing is one table. Inside the table, three rows, 2 columns. So this 3 rows and 2 columns, it will show some values. I'm just going here. See, table calendar. Sorry, 2 rows and 2 column. Table calendar. Sorry, table header. Table cell 1, table cell 2, table cell 3, table cell 4, like that. So if you go here, the same table header, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, like that. So here you can define the HTML. So HTML means it will support for your CSS languages also. So HTML CSS combinations, if you want to build some pages or some output you want to define, then you can use this HTML response. So here you need to define your HTML script inside. So based on the HTML script, it will showcase your result. So this is a way it is representing in the bot response area. So what are all the remaining items are required, you just go drag and drop it, and you can do some manipulations. Based on the manipulation, do the testing and check it. So it is pretty straightforward. If you want to showcase your system output, system result using your bot response functionalities, you can showcase in the virtual agent. So that's the key message here. I hope you enjoyed this session. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel to understand more capability from virtual agent side and additional ServiceNow related functionality. I hope you enjoyed the session. Next session we will discuss the utility portion, how it is manipulating based on your user input. So thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Stay tuned. Good day and goodbye.